Hello lovies and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you yet another delightful recipe that is well requested by a number of you wonderful people out there. And that is vermicelli cake or Sawine cake. These are the ingredients that I will be using to put this delightful dish together. Here is my Sawine or vermicelli. I have here some whole milk, evaporated milk, condensed milk, some water. These are the spices to flavor it up. Vanilla essence, cardamom powder, nutmeg. This is some dried scilly mint leaf, not bay leaf, guys. If you have the fresh scilly mint leaf, please make use of that. Here I have hiding below there is some cloves, some cinnamon sticks, a little bit of ghee. You can use butter if you choose to, some almonds, raisins, and some chopped cherries. And of course I have my lightly buttered dish here. To this boiling water now, add the scilly mint leaf, the cloves, and the cinnamon sticks. I will allow this to boil for like 5 to 7 minutes so that the water will be infused with all these flavors. And while that water is infusing here, we shall start on the vermicelli itself and get that nice and toasted. We're going to allow this to warm up a little bit before adding the vermicelli into this pot. It's nice and warm there now, so in goes the vermicelli. So I guess that bowl had a little bit of water. So now we're going to toast this in here until it becomes nice and golden brown, or a color to your likeness. Some of you may like it on the lighter side, some of you may like it on the darker side. However, you need to continue turning this so that it will not be burnt at the bottom. I'm going to turn off this water here now. So this is nice and golden brown here, and this is the color that I prefer. You do not want to get this dark brown and it tastes burnt. In goes my infused water. We can take out the scilly mint leaf and the cloves. Add back that cinnamon stick. Now we're going to allow this to boil until it is half cooked. So it has been 3 minutes, and as you can see, the water is reducing and the vermicelli is softening up a bit. I'm going to allow this to cook for a further 2 minutes more. Exactly 6 minutes after now, in goes the whole milk and the evaporated milk. I would not add the condensed milk at this point in time because it will stick at the bottom. Goes my vanilla, cardamom, and nutmeg. Oh my god, guys, this smells amazing. And to you Sawine lovers there, you might be tempted at this point in time to remove some and add your condensed milk and raisins and whatever you want before it starts thickening up. If you're enjoying this video so far, please leave me a comment at the bottom. Let me know where you are looking on from so that I can give your country a shout out in my next video. Keep turning, you can feel the consistency of it. You can know when it starts thickening up. Remember, do not stop turning this because you do not want to get a burnt vermicelli cake. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, giving me all that love and support. Thank you for following my page, and I do hope that I am bringing contents that you enjoy. So after about 10 minutes, this is becoming nice and thick here now. It's time to add the condensed milk. And goes the cherries, raisins, and as you can see, I did not add any sugar to this. At this point in time, you can taste it for the sweetness and add or adjust to your likeness. As you know, anything come out of my kitchen, it is nice and spicy and full of flavor. So I do not play with my spices. If I have to keep on adding, I will keep on adding until I get that desired taste that I am looking forward to. And at this point in time, you can remove the cinnamon sticks in here because you may have some difficulty when you cut in that cake. You can add more dry fruits in here, or you can eliminate anything of your choice. And go to chopped almond. Turn, turn, turn. And as long as you are seeing the bottom of the pot, well, you know it's nice and ready for the dish. This is what it looks like. I went ahead and garnished it with some additional chopped up almonds and some cherries. If you like this video, please remember to give me that nice big thumbs up. Leave me a comment at the bottom. If you are looking for the first time, I do hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel. And you can also find me on Facebook at Shamin's Kitchen for more delightful recipes and live cooking. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.